Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 10. Get ready for the education. Start. The bill rightly attaches great importance to selection of people for the clerical cadre because the clerical staff constitute the largest proportion of the total manpower and it is they who give the banking service to the people stock. Rapid expansion of banking ensures further that many of them will soon get promotion to the officers cadre stock. It has been estimated that every clerk can hope to reach the officers cadre in 10 or 12 years time stock. Every clerk is therefore a potential officer stock, but to the effective recruitment should attempt to attract appropriate skills and attitude and search for suitable talent should not be restricted to the first point of entry in the bank at the clerical level stock. It should also be extended to attract sufficient number of persons who possess executive skill stock. With the functional enlargement of the banks, they require the service of experts such as agricultural scientists and those who are experts in engineering stock. Recruitment of such personnel should also be considered by the Banking Commission stock. A provision in the bill enables the government to increase the proportion of such junior staff from 25% to 33% stock. In my view, it is a welcome provision stock. There is a provision that a certain percentage shall be reserved for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes stock. This percentage has to be determined according to the general principles and also the requirements of the bank's stock. One provision says that the commission will have certain advisory functions stock. It is an important provision stock. We know how in government service very difficult problems of promotion and seniority arise stock. It is better that they are solved by a third body rather than the superior officers who have sometimes prejudices against people working under them stock. I hope this provision will be used for that purpose stock. I will not take any more time of the House by dilating on the details of the bill stock. I hope the honorable members will accept the basic idea behind the bill stock. The establishment of a commission on the lines envisaged will impart objectivity and impartiality in the recruitment procedures of the banks by prescribing uniform qualifications and eligibility standards applicable in all public sector banks and thereby help to tap the right type of persons for the banking industry stock. Finally, there is a last clause which says that the government may extend the provisions of this bill to other banks stock. If the Banking Service Commission could cover the recruitment of other commercial banks also, so much the better stock. We will have uniform standards for recruitment of personnel in all the banks stop. With these words, I support the bill stop.